Okay, so just a quick instructional on how to set up a printer in BoB. So if you log into your account, what you would want to do is you go to the system admin. If you go to system admin, then you have option your printer admin. So under printers, at the top line, that's where you'll be able to add your printer. So the first thing that you'll do is to type in a description for this printer. So I'm going to call it Strategico Demo Item. So there's three different printers. You can set up an item label, or a location label, or a shipment label. So in this case, we're setting up an item label, and that's why in the description I mentioned that. So the next step, this is the important part. This actually tells BoB where the printer is shared on your network. So in this space, you have to type in the share name of the printer. Now, to get the share name, not everybody knows that. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your computer properties. So I've got it here, but you can type, if you type into the start PC, this is on Windows 10. So this PC, you right click on it and you go to properties. That will give you your computer name. So the first part of the share name will always be / and then your computer name. So I'll type there / CP Dell. Okay, then the next part is the actual share name that you set up the printer with. So you'll put /, and then if you're not sure what your printer share name is, you can find that as well. So we go to, when you start, just type in printers, you'll find a printers and scanners option, and then what you'll do is you'll find your printer that you want to print to. So if I want to share it with my brother QL800, you'll go to manage and printer properties. Then under printer properties, there's a sharing page, and you can see what the share name of that printer is. So that's what needs to go after your computer name. Okay, so like so. So it's / computer name / printer share name. Then you have to select which branch this belongs to, if you have more than one branch in your organization. And then you can give the printer a number. This is just a reference number. You can give it anything, doesn't need to mean anything. It's just what we use when we have to do some diagnostics around labels not printing. And then you select which printer you want to print. So in this case, it's a brother printer, so we need to, and it's an item label, so we'll select item brother. Okay, if it was a location label that you wanted to print on your brother printer, then it would be location brother. And then yeah, so you select whatever label is relevant to you. So if it's a brother printer, it's item brother, and then you click on the add printer button. So my screen resolution is quite big. On a normal screen resolution, you might not see this button. At the bottom there'll be a scroll bar, and you can just scroll to the right, and then you can see it there. Then yeah, so I'm actually going to call this one 900. My demo printer starts with a 9, so I'm just going to put that there, and then add printer. Okay, so that printer should be added. If we go down the list, you'll see the last one on the list is there. And then if you want to remove any printers, you can delete it from the list here. So I'm going to delete this one now because I'm not going to need it. Okay, and that's basically how you add a printer. Thanks for watching.